everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 Super Sport. Matching numbers L34, 396, 350 horse, 4-speed car. Killer car. This is actually, they say, about a 15-year-old nut and bolt frame-off restoration. You won't be able to tell this isn't 5 months old. It's got all the chalk marks on the bottom, on the suspension parts and everything. It's got 60,000 original miles on it, guys, but I'll tell you right now, there is hardly any miles on this restoration. The car's out of Tennessee. This was actually a lady's car. Husband and wife had this car, but it was her car. My buddy Scott, so when he found this for me, said that he had a Corvette, and this was her Chevelle. Factory Marina blue with the medium blue or bright blue interior, they call it. You can see it's got the rally wheels with flat caps, and it's got the red lines, and just a killer car, man. Chrome and stainless is beautiful. You can see it's got all the T3 headlights on it. They definitely replaced the bumpers. Fit and finish is excellent. Again, this is the original color combination. Killer car, guys. Couple little marks in your glass there. There's not a whole lot to really pick. There's a couple little blemishes in the paint. But man, this car is gorgeous. That's just a little watermark there, guys. A little dust in there, that'll clean up. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. Those are 15s all the way around it. Killer paint. I love the flat caps. It does have disc brakes on the front. I think that was an option in '67, but I think most of them got drums. Again, matching numbers, 396, 350 horse engine. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. It's got the Holley carb, factory intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes. You can see, like I say, they've got all the, you see the blue on the firewall, it says. That's your original chalk marks, and they're all over the suspension. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. It's got the correct power steering fill unit on it. What a car. See a little blemish right there on that. And then the only other one A-pillar chrome is very nice. It's got a little, you can see a little crack right there. Chrome mirrors, new door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. All new interior. I've got new floor mats on the way, new carpet, new sill plates. Factory bucket seats, console. It's got the factory T-handle shifter. Headliner's nice. Beautiful steering wheel, my favorite option. It's got the factory blinker tach, it works. 60,017 miles. Padded dash, Retrosounds radio. Clock down there does not work. It's got good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust. 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear end with the rear sway bar. A little dust in there. That's jack with spares here. Oh, I'll show you this here in a second too. This car was born with just the one speaker in the dash. They put aftermarket speakers here in the trunk, but the package tray had never been cut, so those are magnets. They stick down there. Not much really for receipts. There's some little things in there. Of course, it's all spackle coated in here. It jack with spare. But yeah, if you want to put those speakers in, you'll actually have to cut the package tray, which they did not want to do. Look how nice this thing is underneath. Drives just as sweet as can be. Again, new mats are on the way. All the correct seat belts in it. They've definitely repadded and refoamed these seats. Console's in great shape. I mean, look how pretty that dash is. Gauges are nice and clean. Little sweetheart right here. It's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. Pick this 8-pillar chrome just a little bit. Run to drive, sweet as can be, guys. You hear the idle or the choke works. Tach works, blinker tach works. So all your gauges work. Radio in there works. I know the parking brake works. Doors open and close real nice. Oh, there we go. You have to check that. I don't know if that stuff's working back there properly. Radio works, blower motor works. Yeah, doors open and close real nice. Okay guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Yeah, I think we got a bulb out on that left side.